If you have just started learning English and you want to practice your speaking, this video is for you. Here's how it will work. First, I will choose a question at random and give you a natural, spontaneous answer. Next, I will show you some useful words and phrases that you can use to answer the same question. Finally, you will have a chance to give your answer and practice speaking fluently and confidently. You can use the words and phrases I suggest to help you, but you should try to answer the question with no preparation. In this way, you will really improve your speaking skills and be able to have a conversation in English in real life. So are you ready? Let's get started. So here are my questions. I will pick one at random. So here we go. Question 1. Do you enjoy exercising? Ooh, good question. I like exercising because it makes me feel good. I try to do some kind of exercise every single day. That might be a quick yoga class, walking my dogs. Sometimes I go to the gym, but it's not my favorite activity. Actually, my favorite type of exercise is walking. I really enjoy going into nature, being in maybe the forest, on a mountain, in the countryside, and walking because I can exercise at the same time as seeing a beautiful place. So it's the perfect type of exercise for me. Okay, so here are some useful words and phrases you can use to answer this question. I like or I don't like exercising because. I try to exercise, you can say once a week, every day, twice a week, for example. Exercising makes me feel, you could say happy, sad, great, good. So an adjective. And my favorite type of exercise is. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and answer the question. Do you like exercising? Great work! Now let's answer another question. Here we go. What is your job? Do you like it? Okay, this is a good one. So I am an English teacher. I work mostly online, giving classes to students of all levels and ages, and I also have recently started making YouTube videos. It's a great job because I get to help people. I really enjoy seeing my students improve and get more confident at using English. So yeah, I like my job because I can meet new people and I get to help them, which makes me feel really good. So here are some useful words and phrases you can use to answer that question. To start, you can say I'm a or I'm an and say your job title. It's a something job. You need an adjective here. It's a great job. It's a difficult job. It's a stressful job. And I like my job or I don't like my job because. So now it's your turn. Use those words and phrases to answer the question. What's your job? Do you like it? Excellent work, everyone. Let's do our next question. Describe where you live. Okay. Well, I'm from the UK, but I live in Mexico City. It's a great place to live because there's so much to do. It's a very big city, so there's a lot going on. There's a lot of great restaurants, there's lots of people from different parts of the world who you can meet and talk to. It's an old city, so there's lots of old, beautiful buildings, lots of museums. So if you like museums, it's a great place to live. Because it's a big city, there are lots of people, which means there's lots of traffic. That's one thing that maybe I don't like so much, but really It's a lovely city and I really love my life here. So, some useful words and phrases you can use to answer this question. To start off with, I live in, and then the name of the place that you live. It's a something place. You need an adjective here. It's a great place. It's a busy place. It's an interesting place. There are lots of, so you need a noun here. There are lots of people, lots of parks, lots of shops, restaurants. And you could say, I like living here because, or I don't like living here because. Now it's your turn. Can you describe where you live? Excellent. So now on to our final question. What are your hobbies? Okay, great question. Well, I have a few different hobbies. I really like cycling. I try to cycle once a week if I can. I also enjoy hiking, so going for long walks in beautiful places with my dogs, of course. I also enjoy reading, so I read every day. And another hobby that I've started recently is playing the piano. So I do a little bit of piano practice every day, and that's something that I really enjoy doing. Okay, so now let's look at some useful phrases you can use to answer that question. You can say I like, or I really like, or I love, and then remember to use the activity with ing. I like reading, I like exercising, I like playing piano. You can say I and the activity every day. I walk every day, I play piano every day, I exercise every day. Or my favorite activity is, again with ing. My favorite activity is reading. My favorite activity is singing. So now it's your turn. Tell me, what are your hobbies? Okay, great work everyone. I hope you got some good speaking practice today. Remember, practice makes perfect. I recommend doing a little bit of speaking practice just like this every single day. If you do that, you will improve really quickly. If you like this video and you want more beginner speaking practice, let me know in the comments which topics you want to do. Today we did hobbies, where you live, your job, and exercise. What other conversation topics would you like to practice with me? Let me know. If you are looking for more speaking practice, check in the description below the video and look at my other speaking practice videos. I hope to see you there. Don't forget before you go to like this and subscribe to my channel for more English speaking practice videos. Thank you for joining me, everyone. Goodbye.